Hindi.
lines that were very good. I got to rate it based on just off the
Kasi
lyrics.
di
The
ka nabalot eh.
were very, very good. The song, we are not ever replaying that ever. If that gets played in my car, I'm crashing the car on purpose. If someone pulls up, I'm taking their car,
Fragile lang.
I'm shooting the phone 6 times.
Maximo ang lakas mo. Gusto naman. Kailangan mo.
Probably a song or worse. And we are hoping that it's on them. Tell them that this
Kita mo na nasa picture.
in the car without wanting to drive it.
Ay, ganito mo.
Nasaan yung Bible ka sa taas?
Kita mo kay picturean ko.
3 years ago, Is Bedwars Dying. You guys know Mini Bloxy and Molten Tap Water, they all blew up on this game called Bedwars. That was our original blow up. Well, in the song, Is Bedwars Dying? So I guess like Bedwars was trying to get less views, less players, and be less popular, so blow me a song. Let's see if it's any good, because I'm not gonna lie, that's some good songs. I just haven't heard this one. So let's see. Okay, Mini Bloxy is ready to fold it. What's he doing? Okay, Fulton's just watching one of his old songs.
Wow. Baba mo lang. Baba mo dito. Baba. Yan. Display siya. Tapos, cute niya.
Oh, that's hard, that's hard.
Ganda na. Pwede siya pang display at saka pang paperweight, diba ya?
Oh, I know this song. Oh, that's hard, that's hard. Oh, what is beat now? Is beat
At cute.
Oh, I know this song. I can sing this song. You guys ready?
Ito na.
Never died, hopefully now, but if so, that's okay. That's all I know. Okay, this one is...
You can do that at home. With mineral oil.
Paano mo talaga? Thank you.
I think Jax is also on the song.
So, ireregalo po ito ni McLeod sa kanyang classmate. Pang birthday at saka pang graduation na rin. Souvenir nila sa isa't isa. Souvenir niya. Regalo niya nung para sa birthday ng kanyang classmate. In-invite sila, kumain sa labas. Then, parang graduation na rin. Souvenir. Kasi mag-high school na sila. Iba ng school. Magkakaiba na yung kanilang school. Kaya, ayun. Lagyan niya ito ng may souvenir siya. Ganda.
I also made like a miniature version.
Ah, okay. Yung, yan yun. Okay. Good. Yung pangarap kasi ng kanyang classmate ay maging marine sailor. Kaya maganda to sa kanya. So, ang pagkabili ko nito sa Lazada ay 200 plus. Ganda na.
Wait. I'm sorry, Paul. I'm sorry. So, these are this is like supposed to be footage of him playing Roblox, but he's just like, hold on, he's just locked in on his character dancing.
Nak, you're going to put your name here. Magsulat ka ng
That's funny to me.
dedication to Von para maalala pa rin ni Von kahit mag-high school na kayo, mag-college na kayo, maging adult na kayo, maalala pa rin ni Von kung sino nagbigay.
Here's the challenge. You guys are not allowed to make any
Oh.
faces at all.
Is that the Titanic and the iceberg?
If you make a face, you get 0 points. And the person at the end with the most points wins.
Do you like it?
Do a diabolical mystery punishment.
Do you think Von will like it?
I don't know.
It better not be
She will like it, of course.
Alright, the first boost for soy sour Skittles. Get these super spicy tacky.
Ito na.
Ayan, okay na. Thank you for watching sa pag-unboxing ni McLeod sa kanyang gift for his classmate. Okay, mag-unboxing si Kuya.
Kami pates.
Okay. Para sa kanya kasi yan sa kanyang alagang mga... Ano bang alaga mo na?
Wala.
Alagang mga koi fish. Alaga niya yung mga koi fish niya. Ikakat mo lang saan yung may scotch tape. Oh. Let's say safe start.
the one going to. Look at this little guy, so cute.
Let me go! Stop it!
Stop it. Let's get this clean so we move on to the next
Yo, show them.
Just skip this part.
That was limited edition tape.
You have to tell them also what's that, ano, what's the important of that to the tap water.
Leo, you're ruining the air quality. Minus 2 points.
Annoying. Hey, little crap, where do you think you're going? Let's see if you care much like that you did. Sit down. I'm trying to.
You wrap it very well, no, to avoid flaking.
Yeah. Yun na. What the frick?
Look at this little guy, so cute.
Let me go! Stop!
That's not expired yet. Sige.
Not yet expired.
Expired is pa, ano, next year pa.
Next year, 2027.
Yeah.
So please tell them na how do you put that in the tap water?
Why you have to?
Yeah, you have to tell them. Sabihin mo lang.
Show it, oh.
Let's get this clean.
Explain to them.
Heard you steal my lunch. That was limited edition tape.
So usage. Shake well before using. Add 100 ml per 100 liters
Show it to the
or
camera.
26 gallon. Water dilute first before adding to the fish tank. 1 bottle cap or 15 ml. Adding fish, change water. So, ito siya ay pag nag-change siya ng water sa kanyang fish tank ay pag nag-refill siya ng bagong water yun, pinapatakan niya para matanggal yung chlorine at saka ano pa na yung remove residual chlorine, chelate harmful heavy metals, help fish adapt to new environment. So, yan yung purpose po para nito. Siguro, since na nagkaroon siya ng koi fish, pangatlong order na niya to. Matagal na rin kasi siyang may isda. Yan. Pag naubusan siya ng kaito, nag-worry na siya kasi wala siyang panglagay sa kanyang fish tank pag nagpapalit siya ng water. Kasi yung mga koi fish niya dati, yung maliliit, namatay dahil hindi nalagyan ng ganito nung nagpalit ng tubig. So again, thank you so much. I hope na meron kayong kunting kaalaman kung anong pampatanggal ng mga chlorine sa ating mga tap water pag nag-fill up tayo, nag-refill tayo sa ating mga aquarium. Ito po yun. Safe start. Ayan, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.